Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
The network speed indicator shows real-time upload and download kbps in the status bar. Many users prefer a cleaner status bar for less distraction while using their phone. Disabling the indicator can improve perceived simplicity and slightly reduce background UI updates on older devices. Methods to turn it off vary by Android version and by OEM skin such as Samsung, Xiaomi, or OnePlus. I will show 3 reliable approaches that work for most Android phones. Start by opening Settings and use the search bar to find Network Speed or Status Bar. On many phones, the toggle exists under Notifications or Status Bar settings. Flip it off to remove the indicator. If your phone supports Quick Settings tiles, you can also long press and edit tiles to remove a network speed tile. After changing the setting, the status bar will update immediately and no restart is necessary on most devices. If you do not see the option, follow the next steps. If settings lacks a toggle, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone. Some OEM expose additional system UI flags in developer options that control status bar elements, including the network speed indicator. When neither setting is present, use ADB from a computer with one command to change the global setting and remove the indicator. Alternatively, use a trusted third-party launcher or a system UI tuner app to hide the display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.